To set up AWS Amplify API category, start by installing the AWS Amplify CLI and configuring your AWS account. Once installed, navigate to your project directory and run the command amplify init to initialize your project. Next, create a new API by running the command amplify add API and choose the REST or GraphQL option. Choose the authentication method for your API, such as API key or Amazon Cognito. After creating your API, you need to configure the API endpoint and test the API using a tool like Postman. You can also use the AWS Amplify API category to integrate with other AWS services like Lambda or S3. To deploy your API, run the command amplify push, which will deploy your API to AWS. You can then test your API using the deployed endpoint. Best practices for setting up AWS Amplify API category include using a secure authentication method and monitoring your API performance using AWS CloudWatch. Additionally, you should follow standard professional guidelines for coding and testing to ensure your API is reliable and efficient. By following these steps, you can successfully set up AWS Amplify API category and start building scalable and secure APIs. The AWS Amplify API category provides a powerful tool for building and deploying APIs, and with the right configuration and testing, you can create high-quality APIs that meet your needs. Key concepts to keep in mind when setting up AWS Amplify API category include authentication methods, API endpoints, and integration with other AWS services. By understanding these concepts and following best practices, you can create high-quality APIs that are secure and efficient. Overall, setting up AWS Amplify API category is a straightforward process that requires careful configuration and testing. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create high-quality APIs that meet your needs and provide a scalable and secure solution for your application.